I remember how we both trended years back. You had your story and I had mine. I'm truly sorry that my brand, my name, and my drama put you through difficult moments. Yet, even after all that, you overcome, and we would still laugh about it, saying your brand grew even bigger despite everything. Betty, you are a hardworking woman, a forgiving soul, a loving mother, and a true friend. Hey. And above all, a woman who loved God with all her heart. You build your life with grace. You raise our children with humility. You forgive more than most people ever could. And you and you showed the world that pain does not have to destroy you. You can use it to fuel, to climb higher. If there is one thing that pained me deeply, it is knowing that I might have failed you in many ways. But today I make a promise. I promise before God, before Spirit, and before our family, I will not fail our lovely children. I will step up. I'll be present for them. I will guide them. I will educate them and make sure they reach where you always wanted them to go. Okay. You may be gone from this world, but you will never be gone from our heart. Your router, your strength, your voice, your dream, they will live in our children forever. Betty, Noathie, Naihenya, rest well, Mama Dani, Mama Sky, rest well, my friend, rest well until we meet again. Amen.